them in a snap with your 17 tools. Your neighbor's long stick is tickling your face, and a hair clip holds it nearly in place. If the birds down the street ask you over the dime, put on a 19 and you'll fit in just fine. 20, special delivery. A big hairy gift. 20, push card makes it easy to lift. I wanna do it. I'm Grandpa. That's me. And she's Hyper. Welcome, dear friends, to my old number yard. Numbers aren't used just for counting. These days, our numbers help people in many new ways. Take a moment away from last year on a 4 something like go fetch some numbers over 20 will do, and let's see how numbers can help you out too. Look out a volcano of hot-made and cheese. Don't worry, a one makes a Nestle drafty. See, Daddy? It's really good. See?